初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need more fresh air.
I need more fresh air.
我需要更多新鲜空气。
I need more fresh air.
I need more fresh air.
I'm trying to sleep early.
I'm trying to sleep early.
我正试着早点睡觉。
I'm trying to sleep early.
I'm trying to sleep early.
I should drink more water.
I should drink more water.
我应该多喝水。
I should drink more water.
I should drink more water.
I'm taking a short walk.
I'm taking a short walk.
我正在散步一会儿。
I'm taking a short walk.
I'm taking a short walk.
I need to stretch more.
I need to stretch more.
我需要多伸展。
I need to stretch more.
I need to stretch more.
I'm cutting down sugar.
I'm cutting down sugar.
我正在减少糖的摄入。
I'm cutting down sugar.
I'm cutting down sugar.
I feel better today.
I feel better today.
我今天感觉好些了。
I feel better today.
I feel better today.
I'm watching my diet.
I'm watching my diet.
我正在注意我的饮食。
I'm watching my diet.
I'm watching my diet.
I need a quick rest.
I need a quick rest.
我需要休息一下。
I need a quick rest.
I need a quick rest.
I'm eating more veggies.
I'm eating more veggies.
我正在吃更多蔬菜。
I'm eating more veggies.
I'm eating more veggies.
I'm listening to my body.
I'm listening to my body.
我正在倾听我的身体。
I'm listening to my body.
I'm listening to my body.
I'm slowing down today.
I'm slowing down today.
我今天放慢了节奏。
I'm slowing down today.
I'm slowing down today.
I need some sunlight.
I need some sunlight.
我需要一些阳光。
I need some sunlight.
I need some sunlight.
I'm keeping myself hydrated.
I'm keeping myself hydrated.
我正在保持身体水分充足。
I'm keeping myself hydrated.
I'm keeping myself hydrated.
I'm choosing healthy snacks.
I'm choosing healthy snacks.
我正在选择健康的零食。
I'm choosing healthy snacks.
I'm choosing healthy snacks.
I'm taking deep breaths.
I'm taking deep breaths.
我正在深呼吸。
I'm taking deep breaths.
I'm taking deep breaths.
I need a mental break.
I need a mental break.
我需要精神上的休息。
I need a mental break.
I need a mental break.
I'm avoiding heavy meals.
I'm avoiding heavy meals.
我正在避免吃油腻的饭菜。
I'm avoiding heavy meals.
I'm avoiding heavy meals.
I'm taking vitamins daily.
I'm taking vitamins daily.
我每天服用维生素。
I'm taking vitamins daily.
I'm taking vitamins daily.
I'm protecting my eyes.
I'm protecting my eyes.
我正在保护我的眼睛。
I'm protecting my eyes.
I'm protecting my eyes.
I need to relax more.
I need to relax more.
我需要多放松。
I need to relax more.
I need to relax more.
I'm improving my posture.
I'm improving my posture.
我正在改善我的姿势。
I'm improving my posture.
I'm improving my posture.
I'm limiting late meals.
I'm limiting late meals.
我正在限制吃夜宵。
I'm limiting late meals.
I'm limiting late meals.
I'm reducing screen time.
I'm reducing screen time.
我正在减少看屏幕的时间。
I'm reducing screen time.
I'm reducing screen time.
I'm taking care of myself.
I'm taking care of myself.
我正在照顾自己。
I'm taking care of myself.
I'm taking care of myself.
I'm getting regular checkups.
I'm getting regular checkups.
我正在定期体检。
I'm getting regular checkups.
I'm getting regular checkups.
I'm avoiding cold drinks.
I'm avoiding cold drinks.
我正在避免喝冷饮。
I'm avoiding cold drinks.
I'm avoiding cold drinks.
I'm calming my mind.
I'm calming my mind.
我正在让我的心情平静下来。
I'm calming my mind.
I'm calming my mind.
I need better sleep habits.
I need better sleep habits.
我需要更好的睡眠习惯。
I need better sleep habits.
I need better sleep habits.
I'm avoiding junk food.
I'm avoiding junk food.
我正在避免吃垃圾食品。
I'm avoiding junk food.
I'm avoiding junk food.
I'm eating lighter meals.
I'm eating lighter meals.
我正在吃更清淡的饭菜。
I'm eating lighter meals.
I'm eating lighter meals.
I'm taking a short nap.
I'm taking a short nap.
我正在小睡一会儿。
I'm taking a short nap.
I'm taking a short nap.
I'm giving myself time.
I'm giving myself time.
我正在给自己时间。
I'm giving myself time.
I'm giving myself time.
I'm focusing on recovery.
I'm focusing on recovery.
我正在专注于恢复。
I'm focusing on recovery.
I'm focusing on recovery.
I'm trying mindful breathing.
I'm trying mindful breathing.
我正在尝试正念呼吸。
I'm trying mindful breathing.
I'm trying mindful breathing.
I'm keeping a health routine.
I'm keeping a health routine.
我正在保持健康的生活习惯。
I'm keeping a health routine.
I'm keeping a health routine.
I need to slow down.
I need to slow down.
我需要放慢节奏。
I need to slow down.
I need to slow down.
I'm being kind to myself.
I'm being kind to myself.
我正在善待自己。
I'm being kind to myself.
I'm being kind to myself.
I'm building healthy habits.
I'm building healthy habits.
我正在养成健康的习惯。
I'm building healthy habits.
I'm building healthy habits.
I'm feeling stronger today.
I'm feeling stronger today.
我今天感觉更强壮了。
I'm feeling stronger today.
I'm feeling stronger today.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。